Transferring cryptocurrency from an exchange to a cold wallet is a crucial step in securing your digital assets. This process allows you to move your coins from an online exchange where they are vulnerable to hacking and theft to an offline cold wallet where they are much safer. First, you need to choose a reliable cold wallet. There are several types of cold wallets available, including hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor, and paper wallets. Hardware wallets are the most secure option as they store your private keys offline and are protected by a PIN code. Once you have your cold wallet, you need to set it up. This usually involves installing software on your computer and following the instructions provided by the manufacturer. You will also need to create a new wallet address on your cold wallet. This address is where you will send your cryptocurrency from the exchange. Next, log into your exchange account and navigate to the withdrawal section. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and enter the wallet address you created on your cold wallet. Make sure to double-check the address, as sending cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in loss of funds. You will also need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Be aware that exchanges often have minimum and maximum withdrawal limits and may charge a small fee for the transaction. After you have entered the wallet address and amount, review the transaction details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. The exchange will then process the transaction and send the cryptocurrency to your cold wallet. It may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the blockchain, depending on the network congestion and the fee you paid. Once the transaction is confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be safely stored on your cold wallet. It is essential to keep your cold wallet safe and secure. Store it in a safe place, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Never share your private keys or wallet address with anyone, and always use a strong PIN code to protect your wallet. In conclusion, transferring cryptocurrency from an exchange to a cold wallet is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge and precautions. By following these steps and taking the necessary security measures, you can ensure the safety of your digital assets and enjoy peace of mind.